So hello guys, I'm in Agusan Del Sur in the mountain of Bayonne City. Now I will go to Hamagway Falls. So I have a guide with me and her kids. So let's go. So I have whole family with a guide. So let's see. People say it's wonderful falls. That's why I want to see so much. But today we'll see few places, few tourist spots. Now it's still morning. So let's go. So he's the guide and the family who need book, I don't know. I don't know why always when you take guy, always people won't come with them. Maybe afraid for any, I don't know. So here you have many trees like that. I forget the name. But this tree you don't have in Bicol. You see one mountain. So for now it's an easy way to going there. You know, some fall it was very hard. It is very easy. Some fall, if you saw my shot 1 year ago, need to climb very hard. It's easy, very easy. You know, in Agusan Del Sur, no foreigner here. You don't see anyone. All people look me. Yeah. So now I'm being little. Look here, business they doing. I see here in Agusan, they take, I don't know in English, safe in French, maybe same in English, and they sell it to doing clothes, to doing, they sell leather. I don't know, it's someone told me. So they do with these trees. There's many here. So let's go. Look, nice view. Kilometers of forest. So let's continue easy way. So finally, here we are, the Cascade Falls. Sir, can I going down by there? You think it's possible? Who is dangerous? Going down by there. Going down by this way, you think it's possible? Dangerous? Let's check. So here better view. You know, very dangerous. I going down from there. Where is the guy? Very dangerous. But look, the scenery, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Let's go. So we want to drink. You will climb for us. Coconut.
At least naka
Oh, this little buck. I'm afraid. Oh, I have a son there.
Hello?
Buwang na.
Butang.
Kanang ibabaw. Pag tarong ang gawin ng palwa kay
Kanay?
na. Butong ka na. O ka na.
Ha?
Sige ka na. Tingnan ka na ito. Namay isang lang. O, okay. Subog isa. Siguro ni kayo.
He wanted going down, but
Siguro ka ha.
people say more coconut.
Tamis yung nasa subog.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog.
Yeah, more coconut, please. We want to drink.
Ngayon taglayan tin. Kanang tulo ko bukas babaw tin. Kaya naman na.
Na.
Gamit tayo mong pagkamangki-mangki diya.
Ha?
Buwang naman eh.
Tapos pag sila sa bawah ha.
O, tamis na. Ay, kumpiyansa sa palwa ha.
It's scary. What?
Turut na eh.
Ga.
3, 1, 2. So 4 at total. So he going down.
Hindi na magsabaw.
Ano naman eh. Matawang na rin sa baon eh. Tara na
Buy one more coconut. 5.
Kwarto Ben.
So salamat kuya.
Sunod din yung trip dam at doon na pa mag-serve.
Look, he take trees for family for cooking. Nice boy. Look, he do what he do for family. He take all trees and they will cook. So now I'm in Jordan Falls. Very hard to get here. 11 kilometers in the mountain off-road with scooter for street. Very hard. But finally. Oh, there's hanging bridge here. In the back. We'll check. So here, no choice. Must wet my shoes. Ah, it's okay. You know, it's incredible when I going down. It's 20 kilometers from Bayogong City proper. But I think it's still Bayogong City. You know, here I see everywhere in Agusan. They call it Habal Balal. And you know, it's very funny. You see passenger there, passenger there. Because we don't have in Bicol, in Samar, I never saw, in Visaya. Yeah, it's amazing. So where is hanging bridge? I don't know. Still broken. Ah no, still we can go. Look, flower mountain. Very nice white flower. Very nice. So the family there, very friendly. They say you need to walk 10 minutes too. It's okay, 10 minutes. Because I don't have an off-road scooter. So I was office in tourism today. And I asked about it's difficult to going to another falls. Because today it was hard. I mean the end of the route. Here it's also not easy. And I asked about another tourist spot, like lagoon. Look, house Filipino. There's no one, I guess. You see? You know, it's very hot. It's very hot here in Mindanao. More hot than Bicol. But different is less humid. In Bicol it's so humid. You know, it's 32, 31. But you're always waiting. Here I'm okay. Okay, I'm waiting when I'm outside. But yeah, here it's less humid. It's more hot. In mountain it's like, I guess 32, 33, like that. If you're in the city, like between cities, like 37. Yeah, Mindanao, it's hot. And I check if I see banana. Also, the climate change. In Bicol, I see different last year, the summer, 3 degrees more. Yeah. Yeah, when I arrived here, it's very beautiful, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur. Oh my gosh, I saw so many beautiful places. But tomorrow I'm going back in none. You know, visit tourism. They told me they don't collect fees, like most of tourist place in Agusan, because they try to attract tourists. Look, it's beautiful here, and we see the falls, but there is no one. Look, hanging bridge, and there is no one. When you go to Bicol, to Samar, you have many tourists who incredible price. Oh, beautiful. Agusan Del Sur. Ah, there is there. Oh, nice. All is free. You must come. Agusan del Sur. Oj, I jumped out. So this is the fall, Jordan Fall. Water dirty because there is grass. You see, there is cottage. You can come with your family. You sit there. You eat your lunch, your breakfast, your dinner. I don't know. Let's go to this bridge to see the views. Oh, there is someone there? No, I don't see anyone. Ooh la la, it's a little scary. Ooh, little scary. I have mignon. So here another point of view. This bridge is broken. And if you fall down, one tree is broken. If you fall down, no one will help you because there is no one here. And don't put your hand here like me after you have a 100 pound in your hand. So you walk. Look how it's broken here also. Yeah, but no money because no fees. So like this morning now it's broken. So if many tourists, they will collect fees. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh. If I fall down, oh, I see people climbing there, but there's nothing. Aye. So the bridge. You can relaxing here also. Mabuhay, visitor. Here you see I collect water for all people live in mountain because there is many houses in mountain. Yeah. But here it's little block and you see. Yeah, they collect water for people mountain. Look these trees. In Agusan there is everywhere. Beautiful trees. I saw only here in Agusan. I mean, I know I don't saw in Visaya would be called this kind of tree. Yeah, and you see many they cut. So many people live with this tree. Very beautiful Agusan. But tomorrow I going Bukidnon. Here another hanging witch if you want to explore. But I don't want to explore. I'll just show you if you're an explorer. So let's go to another tourist spot. He's the most happy here. Eh? Fresh bath. You enjoy. I want to join you. So what? Look, the way to come here is very hard. You need to off-road motorcycle, but look the views. I cannot zoom because I brake. I cannot zoom, but you see very far, very beautiful. But look the route, it's 10 kilometers like that in the mountain. It's very hard. That's why no one coming, it's very hard. So guys, that's all for today. I'm in Agusan Mall in Bayugong City. So now going home, tomorrow going Bukidnon. Thanks for watching. I hope you love Agusan. Me, I love very much. So thank you for watching and see you very soon with pleasure. Thank you.